Small tweaks in your contracts, systems, and communication add up to big relief over time. Hi, I'm Tiffany Staley, your friendly legal eagle. And today we're wrapping up how to turn those small improvements into smoother workflows. So the first thing we're going to do to make these small improvements is do a regular contract audit. This will help you catch stress points and friction points where your agreement no longer matches how you actually work. When your contract reflects reality, you spend less time negotiating, clarifying, and fixing misunderstandings mid-project. And if you need help doing that, make sure you check out this video. Next, you'll use your logging system to identify patterns. When you write down problem situations and review them over time, patterns appear. Those patterns show you where your processes need updates. Instead of reacting to the same fire over and over, you prevent the fire from starting in the first place. If you didn't watch the earlier video on exactly how I do that, check out it here. Third, we're going to build proactive frameworks for scope, communication, and timelines. Frameworks reduce friction because everyone knows what happens next and who's responsible for what. Onboarding ties this all together. A structured onboarding process reinforces your contract, your communication rules, and your project flow. When clients start with clarity, projects feel calmer from day one. You're not constantly resetting expectations because they were set up front. Even with great systems, occasional surprises will happen. This is where scripts come in. Scripts give you a calm, professional starting point for tricky conversations, so you're not writing emotional emails in the moment. You can respond confidently, clearly, and consistently. If you need help doing that, we talk about how to do it in Copy Paste Legal Week. These small wins will compound. A clearer contract reduces scope creep. Logging patterns reduces repeated stress. Onboarding reduces confusion. Scripts reduce emotional labor. Each tweak saves minutes, hours, and mental energy, and over time creates a noticeably calmer business day. Copy and Paste Legal Week is the perfect next step if you want to implement these improvements quickly. You will build a saved swipe file of client email scripts so you're never starting from a blank page. It's designed to support these systems without adding complexity. Throughout this playlist, I've shared how small legal and process shifts change how your business feels day to day. None of these require a massive rebrand, a new offer, or a full system rebuild. They are practical tweaks that create clarity for your clients and reduce your mental load. Now that you've seen audits, logging, onboarding, and scripts in action, go back through this playlist and notice how each step connects. Together, they create a supportive structure for your creative work rather than friction around it. If you want an actionable first step, choose one system from this playlist and make one tweak today. Add a clause, clarify a process, or document a recurring issue. Progress comes from small, consistent changes, not giant one-time overhauls. Even a small process tweak will compound over time. What feels like a tiny improvement today will save you hours and stress in the future. If you want guidance and ready-made scripts, Copy and Paste Legal Week is your next step. What small change will you implement first? Share it in the comments, and I'll see you inside Copy and Paste Legal Week.